Heavy showers in Ayodhya, waterlogging reported outside the newly renovated Ayodhya railway station. Authorities are now using heavy machinery to fill the potholes and drain the water. But was there a water leakage at Ayodhya temple?
Ayodhya has witnessed two major rain showers in this monsoon season. One was 2-3 days back and one was just a day before. This is the first monsoon after the consecration ceremony of the Ram temple, and when there was a rain shower 2-3 days back, we saw that there were reports of waterlogging, road cave-in, potholes, and also allegedly dripping of the water from the roof of the newly constructed Ram temple. We were there in Ayodhya yesterday and day before, and since yesterday there was a rain shower that took place roughly for hours early morning. So we went to the temple in the morning and we saw that there was waterlogging just at the very start of the Ram Janmabhoomi path, which is about 0.5 kilometer long path leading to the Ram temple. And since this is the last place, vehicles can't go beyond this, and pilgrims have to actually walk through this road. So some of them were taking out their shoes. They had to carry their luggage also along with them. Soon after this, there are lockers made for the pilgrims to keep their belongings, including the shoes as well as the mobile phones. And from there, they have to walk barefoot towards the temple. So because of the all the waterlogging initially at the path, there was silt and water at different places all along the path. And when we went inside the temple, we saw that there was also dripping of the water from the roof, from above the Greh Mandap, which is the last mandap just before the Garbhagriha. This is the place where the pilgrims actually stand to have a look at the Ram idol, and this is the last mandap where they can actually go. So after later on, when we talked to the experts and the design experts of the Ram temple, they told us that it's not actually the leaking of the water from the roof of the temple. Instead it is the water which is coming from the under construction floor, which is right above, which is the first floor where the Ram Darbar is to come up. So we saw that there are 2-3 things. There were also electrical wiring which were open from the end, and they were coming down. From there, the water was receding and water was coming down. And we saw that there were also two under construction staircases on the either side of the Garbhagriha. So since these staircases have not yet been completed, they are also open to the sky, and there's just temporary arrangement which has been made to cover them till the first floor and the second floor is completed. Then this the Greh Mandap has to be covered at the second floor with a dome. Till the time the first floor is completed and the flooring is done on the second floor, this dome cannot come up. So the covering on this the mandap, which is right outside the Garbhagriha, is very temporary. It's through tempoline and the boards. So the water is coming from there. Even the secretary of the trust gave the statement that there's no leakage from the roof of the temple as such, and instead it's the water coming from the first roof where the construction is going on. And once the entire construction is completed, these issues would be resolved. As far as the road cave-in is concerned and the water logging in other parts of the city, administration, we saw that the administration was ensuring that the machines were deployed to take out the water, to draw the water, or to fill in the potholes immediately after they were made. But yes, that is how the situation was in Ayodhya. But as we saw that there has not been a rain shower since then, so the problem exists when the rainfall or the rain shower is there.